the elevator. The twin pine well.
Oh, look, the elevator alarm is right there.
Interesting.
That is probably an Edwards adaptable, I imagine, but I don't know.
This is.
Your school probably had an Edwards adaptable. Who knows?
Innovation Universal Eyeline.
Yeah.
What's this LL on the button?
Oh.
I just noticed that.
Oh yeah, you're right. Cool. Cool beans.
Yeah.
It has a tin cap, as you all can see. K1. Let's switch sides.
That was a drop.
It was. Felt like Tower of Terror, kind of.
You get the flat spot on the wheel.
Yeah, we'll get off at 2.
Yeah, yeah. Sweet. No one's waiting. Oh, what's this thing?
16 passengers. Oh, someone called it because he up arrow just waited.
Oh, you never hit 2?
I hit 2.
It's interesting.
Did someone call it or no?
No.
Oh, okay. I thought someone did.
Look, it's an up arrow.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna